Hey guys, Lucky from Busted Stud here. We got the Chevy Cruze in again, 2015 Chevy Cruze with the 1.4 turbo. Well, we got another antifreeze leak. It's not uncommon on these cars, but I want to show you what we're looking at. You see down here, right down in there, you got some moisture. If you look right there, hang on, it's going to show up in a second. Right down there, hang on, yeah, right there you can see it's wet spot. Basically the water outlet on this thing is leaking. So we bought a new one here. Hang on. I mean, you can buy aftermarket or GM, whatever you want. It looks like this. And the problem is it's probably leaking around that rubber O-ring. Might be some corrosion on the head. So we're going to take a look at it. So what it is, I actually jacked the car up pretty high on the driver's side. I'm trying to get all the antifreeze to stay in the engine when I pull that apart. I mean, some's going to leak out, but that way I don't have to drain the whole coolant system, because I think no matter what, you're going to lose coolant on this. But let's take a look at the job. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually remove the air inlet in this little sensor right here. Okay, get that back. Push that. Maybe you're lucky. Come right off. It's going to come right off. Yeah, we got it. Okay. There it is. Comes right off. Okay. Coming right off in a second. There it is. We got it. Okay. So remove that air inlet. I'm going to get more room to work in there. All right, so the air tube's out of the way. I'm just going to get this clamp off right here. Use these pliers. Just work it back a little bit. There's some fluid coming out. Okay, we're getting it. I'm going to need two hands, so you have to hold on. All right, got the hardware out now. It just comes straight out like this. Yeah, you can see that gasket there. It's all corroded. All right, well, there's the surface all cleaned up, ready for the new one to go on. So let's install that. So remember, it's only plastic, so don't come through the things. Tighten down easily. There you go. Alright, so this is the approach I used to get this bottom hose on. It's probably the hardest one. But here's what I had for pliers. Cleaned it up nice, slid it on. Piece of cake. I think the rest of them are going to go a lot easier. Alright, well, it didn't all go to plan. When I went to remove this return hose from the old clip, it broke off inside. So sadly, I need a new hose here. Looks like the return hose. So another trip to the parts store. I could have avoided it if I had pulled this piece out of the new one and just used the one out of the old one. But that's hot plastic. It's really brittle. Doing myself a favor here, just getting a new hose. So yeah, off to the parts store. Yuck. Busted. Alright, here's the final piece of the puzzle here. Basically the fitting that goes in here from this overflow tube broke off in the old part, so I had to buy a new hose. They actually redesigned it. You get an aftermarket piece right here. I just grabbed the thing that was closest from the parts store, but it's totally redesigned. It doesn't have this additional fitting on there. I'm going to throw it in. So let's take a look how it goes here. Open this guy up real quick. Okay, that's really tight. Here's the new hose. Basically just has the bottom part of it on there. Alright, so we'll grab this here. Take this off. Alright, I'm gonna pull that off. We'll need a new clamp. Clamp on the old hose there. Put it on. Pull this guy out of here, the clip. Close. Oh, okay, here it is. Basically the same detail right here. So stuff this in. Just go right in there. Right in nice. Okay, pretty close. Just about. Okay, not quite. Get right in there. Okay. Put a little lube on that. Stuff that in. Okay, we got it now, I think. Yeah. Press it down. Put the clip in. Right here. Take it right in. All set. Put this on. Right there. Very nice. Right there. And that's it. I think we're pretty much ready to. Nope, this isn't clipped in. Get this right by this. Get it right by that. Just push it down good. Okay, yeah, okay. Slide this clip in. See if that holds, it's not holding in. Okay. Yep, okay. Yeah, that's it. Goes together pretty nice. Alright, so now we get the hose on there nice. And we're just going to fill up the reservoir. And we're going to run it for a while. Let it get up to temperature, and then top it back off. So thanks for watching. Busted Stud Garage. Have a great night. Yep, there it is. Cut.